2JZ truck. Oh, shit. Oh, how's our boost look?
It's pretty stock, so we're doing good.
Alright.
So we can crank it up now.
Yeah.
Find a place to pull over.
Right. Shit, right there. Should be okay. Okay, hold on. Boost adjustment. We'll be back. Okay, back to recording. Boost controller adjustment. So, 2JZ, take 2.
How was that? About 9 pounds.
9 pounds?
Yeah.
Might have to go full open on this one.
Huh?
How many turns will that take?
Maybe another turn or 2.
Might have to go full open to get it all, huh?
Maybe. Pull over here.
Yeah. You might want to get up past this little area right here. Okay. Be back again, another adjustment. Okay, back again. Can't really get a speedometer shot. It's not working quite yet, but... was fast. Woo! Hey, how far does it look better?
That was 12. That was 12 pounds of boost.
12 pounds?
Yeah. Were the air fuel ratios better?
Yeah.
Where was it at?
It was looking
11s?
like 11s, yeah.
Okay, that's good.
We'll hit it again here in just a second.
Right here?
Pretty short right here. Ain't got much of a run.
That's cool.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're gonna adjust it more?
Yeah, I'll do like another full turn.
Alright.
That was 11, 12 right there somewhere, dude.
It's nice. Trying to get 15 pounds or so right now.
Okay.
Okay.
There you go.
Alright. You can flip a bitch if you want and just head back down.
Ooh. Yeah, I gotta fix that too. Squeaky.
Squeaky. It's alright. Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
Recording?
Recording.
Feel good. A little too much.
Too much boost. But let me tell you, that back end just... that was everywhere.
Yeah, we're about 16 right there.
16, okay, so we need to back it down just a little. Okay, another brake, hang on.
Go 2-lane, let me know.
Alright. Okay, here we go again. Another adjustment.
There we go.
Okay, here we go. Getting it on. No, it's still rich as hell. 10.5, 10.6.
Is it really?
Yep.
That's still good though.
Yep. Yeah.
Back it off just a cut here. That was about 14, 15 psi.
14, 15 psi, okay. Yeah. You get right here, you got some light. If you want to move it. Okay, here we go.
Dialed in now.
Yep, dialed in. She's good to go now. Here we go. Good. hooking it all.
Alright. Last one, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright. Okay, final run.
Alright. Do a little brake stand for the fellow viewers.
Okay. Yeah, house.
Brakes.
Fuck it.